Hi, today I'm going to share with you how we can set up Pinterest pixel tracking. To set up Pinterest pixel tracking, we need some variable or parameters. So I need this kind of parameters. I already created this parameter uh, in the variable sections. Now I am going to set up the trigger and tags. To set up the Pinterest events or tag, at first we need to connect the Pinterest event manager with Google Tag Manager. We need to go tag option, then we need to search here Pinterest, then select it. Now we need to find the tag ID. We can go Google Tag Manager, then install Pinterest tag. We can see here the tag ID. Copy the tag ID and create a constant variable, write a name. For the Facebook event, we don't need to send the hash email. Then select the event base code only, no event. Then select the trigger. The trigger will be all pages, and then write a name and save. Again, go to this Pinterest page event and copy this. Then we need to select the page visit event. Page visit means product visit. Now we need to line items and product ID. I already told you that I already created this event parameters, so now I need to choose it, product ID, then category. That's good. Then we need to send some custom parameters, currency, then value. Currency, then value. Choose the trigger. This trigger will be view item, and write a name here and save. Now we can copy this view content and select the add to cart, and we need to select the value, then currency, then quantity. There is no order ID, so I already added the currency and value here. That is why I need to remove them. Just remove it and change the trigger, write a name here and save. Now we need to copy this add to cart event, then choose the checkout event means purchase in the Pinterest platform. So we need to set here the hashed email. I already created the hashed email, just choose it. Okay, cool. Then order ID, then put out information, then state, then country. Okay, I need to change the trigger. We can choose here the purchase and write a name here. Now I can save. Cool. I can preview. It's connected. You can see here I already tested, and in the meta picture you can see the checkout event sent successfully, and you can see here everything. And if you go the event manager, you can see here the add to cart, page visit, and this is the checkout, and you can see everything. So this is the Pinterest pixel browser site tracking. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.